Coronavirus now, as the Delta variant, a new strain of COVID, has now spread across 49 states, including Wisconsin. Officials believe it could be more dangerous, especially for the unvaccinated. Northeast Wisconsin's Indian community is sounding the alarm as many have family in India who've been affected. NBC 26's Valerie Juarez reports.
Northeast Wisconsin's Indian community says the Delta variant is no joke, as for many have already had many relatives directly impacted by this.
I personally have lost some family members in India.
For Kapil Rajwanshi, the board chairman for the Hindu Temple of Northeast Wisconsin, he says those COVID deaths he's referring to are the ones coming from the second wave, the Delta variant. He says the conditions in India with those infected are so bad that even those who have had the shot have contracted this new variant.
My cousin brother, who was fully vaccinated, actually got COVID, and he passed away even after being fully vaccinated. Other people, I have two uncles who passed away. They had their first shot, but not the second shot yet.
With over 700 Indian families across Northeast Wisconsin, he says nearly everyone has had a loved one directly impacted by this. And in partnership with the Hindu temple based in Kokana, they're hoping to raise money for relief efforts in India.
The temple says they've already raised $21,000, but say they're continuing to raise more money as the conditions are still very serious in India. In Kokana, Valerie Juarez, NBC 26.
Valerie, thank you.